Ever wonder how Netflix knows what shows you might like? Or how your email filters out spam? The answer lies in machine learning. Welcome to the intriguing world of machine learning, the silent puppeteer behind many of the technologies we interact with on a daily basis. From the personalized recommendations on your favorite music streaming app to the virtual assistant on your smartphone predicting your next request, machine learning is the invisible thread weaving its magic through our digital lives. This powerful tool has the ability to learn from data, to spot patterns and make predictions, all without explicit programming. It's like teaching a child to recognize shapes, but instead, these are complex algorithms learning to navigate the vast seas of data. Imagine the possibilities, the potential of this technology as it continues to advance and evolve. It's not just about improving our entertainment or convenience, but also about solving complex problems and making our world a better place. Dive in as we unravel the mysteries of machine learning. At its core, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from experience. To break this down, let's think of machine learning as a way of programming computers to improve their performance at a task through experience. It's like teaching a toddler how to recognize shapes. You show them a triangle and they may not get it right the first time, but after seeing a few more triangles, they start to understand, 3 sides, 3 corners, that's a triangle. Machine learning works in a similar way. Now you might be wondering, how does a computer gain experience? Well, the answer is data. Lots and lots of data. Machine learning relies on algorithms, which are sets of rules or instructions that computers follow to solve problems. These algorithms analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that analysis, all without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. So let's say we want to teach a computer to identify pictures of cats. We'd start by giving it a bunch of pictures, some of cats and some of other things. The algorithm would analyze the data from these pictures, trying to identify patterns that differentiate cat pictures from non-cat pictures. Over time, and with more and more data, the algorithm gets better at recognizing what makes a cat a cat. But it's not just about recognition. Machine learning can also make predictions. For instance, based on past weather data, a machine learning algorithm can predict whether it's going to rain tomorrow. Or based on your past online shopping habits, it can suggest products you might like. It's important to note that these are still just tools. They don't have feelings or desires. They don't understand cats or weather in the way humans do. But they can analyze data far more quickly and accurately than any human, and that's what makes them so useful. So, machine learning is like teaching a child to identify objects. But in this case, the child is a computer. Machine learning isn't a one-size-fits-all technology. It comes in different flavors. Dive into the world of machine learning and you'll encounter a trio of distinct types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each of these has its unique way of learning from data, making machine learning a versatile and adaptable technology. First up, we have supervised learning. Imagine a toddler learning to identify animals. You show them a picture of a cat and tell them, "This is a cat." This is essentially how supervised learning works. It's all about labeling. The algorithm is trained on a labeled data set, where it learns to predict the output from the input data. Once trained, it can apply this learning to new, unseen data. So if it encounters another feline, it'll confidently declare, "That's a cat." Next, we have unsupervised learning. This time, think of the toddler left with a box of assorted toys. Nobody's there to guide them, so they start sorting the toys based on similarities. All cars in one pile, all dolls in another. Similarly, unsupervised learning algorithms are given unlabeled data and left to find structure and patterns on their own. They might cluster data into different groups or find associations between different data points. Lastly, we have reinforcement learning, where learning is all about trial and error. Picture a child learning to ride a bike. They pedal, they wobble, they fall, but each time they get up, they adjust their balance and pedal technique. Eventually, they're whizzing around without a care in the world. Reinforcement learning algorithms work in a similar way. They interact with an environment, make decisions, and receive feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Over time, they learn to make decisions that maximize the reward. So there you have it. 3 types of machine learning: supervised learning, where algorithms learn from labeled data; unsupervised learning, where they discover patterns in unlabeled data; and reinforcement learning, where they learn through trial and error. 3 types, each with its own unique approach to learning from data. Machine learning isn't just a fascinating concept. It's a powerful tool with countless applications. Its impressive capabilities are leveraged across various sectors, breathing life into technologies that were the stuff of science fiction only a few decades ago. Consider recommendation systems, for instance. Have you ever wondered how your favorite streaming platform seems to know you better than you know yourself? Well, that's machine learning at work. These systems analyze your viewing or listening habits and compare them to those of others with similar tastes. Through this, they can predict what you might enjoy next, keeping you hooked for hours on end. Then, there's voice recognition, the technology behind your beloved virtual assistants. Machine learning algorithms help these assistants understand your commands, learn from your conversations, and improve over time. They can recognize accents, understand context, and even pick up on your mood, all thanks to machine learning. But it's not all fun and games. Machine learning also has serious applications in fields like healthcare and finance. In healthcare, machine learning algorithms help in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and even personalizing treatment plans. They can analyze vast amounts of data from medical records, genetic tests, and clinical trials, making sense of patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. In the finance sector, machine learning is used to analyze market trends, predict stock movements, and detect fraudulent transactions. These algorithms can sift through mountains of financial data in real time, making accurate predictions that help businesses and investors make informed decisions. Even in areas like agriculture and climate science, machine learning is making a difference. It's being used to predict crop yields, optimize irrigation, and even model climate change scenarios, helping us mitigate its impacts and adapt to a changing world. It's clear that machine learning is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. It's transforming our lives, our work, and our world in ways we're only beginning to understand. From entertainment to healthcare, machine learning is transforming industries. Machine learning is more than just a current tech trend. It's paving the way for the future. This technology, which started as a scientific curiosity, has rapidly evolved into a tool that's shaping the contours of our everyday lives, and its potential is only just beginning to be realized. Imagine a future where machine learning algorithms are integrated into every aspect of our lives. In healthcare, algorithms could predict diseases even before symptoms appear, allowing for early interventions and better patient outcomes. In education, personalized learning experiences could be created for each student, optimizing their learning curve and helping them reach their full potential. In the business world, machine learning could deliver unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. It could predict market trends, optimize supply chains, and even automate mundane tasks, freeing human workers to focus on more creative and strategic tasks. But as we unlock the immense potential of machine learning, we also face unique challenges. One of the major questions is that of ethics. As we entrust more decisions to algorithms, how do we ensure they are fair and unbiased? How do we prevent them from perpetuating or even amplifying societal inequalities? Further, what about privacy? As machine learning relies on vast amounts of data, how do we protect our personal information? How do we balance the benefits of machine learning with the need to safeguard our individual rights and freedoms? And finally, there's the challenge of the unknown. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field, and we can't predict with certainty where it will take us. We need to stay agile, ready to adapt and learn as we go. But despite these challenges, one thing is clear: machine learning is not a fad. It's a powerful tool that's here to stay. It's already revolutionizing many sectors, and as it continues to evolve, its impact will only grow. As we step into this future, we carry with us a great responsibility. We are not just observers of this technological revolution, we are its creators. We have the power to shape it to ensure it serves us and not the other way around. Machine learning is not just shaping our future, it's creating it. So, what have we discovered about machine learning today? Well, we've dug deep into the intriguing world of machine learning, where we broke it down to its core components. We learned that machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that uses algorithms to analyze data, learn from it, and make predictions or decisions. We also explored the different types of machine learning, which essentially boil down to supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each type has its unique approach and application. Speaking of applications, we delved into the various ways machine learning is being utilized, from healthcare to finance and even in our daily digital interactions. Looking forward, we discussed the potential future of machine learning. With advancements in technology, it's set to become even more integrated into our lives, offering solutions to complex problems and transforming the way we live and work. Machine learning is no longer just a buzzword. It's a reality that's changing the world around us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.